When we go to dine in Italian restaurants, without fail, we have to order tiramisu. I make sure I keep enough room to enjoy this dessert. Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani and welcome to Rajshri Food, your ultimate destination for 100% vegetarian recipes. And let's get started with this delicious dessert called tiramisu. So I have half a cup of cream over here, and in this bowl I've taken some ice. So I'm going to keep this bowl over the ice and start whipping. Basically, the cooler the cream, the faster it whips. So take heavy whipping cream and whip it till you get soft peaks. So this is ready and I'm going to keep this aside now. I also need to whisk another ingredient which is extremely important while you're making tiramisu, which is mascarpone cheese or mascarpone cheese. Just in case if it's not easily available in your city or wherever you live, you can even use cream cheese. So now I'm going to start whisking this as well. I've taken 2.5 cups of this. Just clean your beater. So make sure this is at room temperature or soft so that it's easier to whisk. Into this, I'm going to add in 3/4 cup of icing sugar. You could even use caster sugar if you have that handy. So add in little at a time. Also add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence or extract. This is ready. You don't need to whisk this for a very long time, just for a minute or two till the sugar is nicely mixed. And now into this, I'm going to fold in the whipped cream. Don't add all of it at once. Just take a little bit and fold it in. Add the remaining cream. And fold it in. Do not use the beater or vigorous movement to mix the two. Also, just taste the sugar just in case if you feel to add a little more, you can do so. But it doesn't have to be extremely sweet. This is ready and I'm going to keep this bowl back over the ice, or you could even refrigerate it. Basically, the cream has to be nice and chilled and doesn't have to melt. Moving on to the next part of the recipe for this non-alcoholic version of tiramisu. So I have here a coffee mixture that I have made. I took 2.5 cups of water, 2.5 tablespoons of coffee powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and boiled it together. And make sure you cool this liquid down completely. And now I'm just going to pour this liquid in this plate. Since this is a non-alcoholic, eggless version of tiramisu, originally this recipe is made with Ladyfinger biscuits and these come with egg. So I'm going to substitute them with Digestive Biscuits. Dip these Digestive Biscuits in the coffee syrup. So you can put a few together. Let them soak the coffee syrup slightly and soften. And then start layering them in your serving dish. So I've taken a 7x7 serving dish here. Stay tuned till the end of the video since I have an interesting tip for you guys. Fill up the gaps with the biscuits, so you can just break them into smaller pieces and fill them up. Make sure you have a complete layer of the biscuits all over. And now let's make the second layer. Now I'm going to fill the cheese mixture into this piping bag, for which I'm going to use a star nozzle. Snip the end and fix the nozzle. Just place it over a glass and fill this mixture. Push it down. It's just easier to layer the cream over the biscuits when you're doing it with a piping bag. So let's just spread it all over, a nice thick layer. Fill up any of the gaps. And now with the help of a palette knife or any kind of spatula, just smoothen this out. Time to make the next layer of biscuits. So tiramisu is known to be invented in the 1960s, but from where and when is unclear. So in case you know where it's originated from, some say from Italy, do let me know in the comment section below. So again, start soaking the biscuits in the coffee mixture and start layering. So the layering of the biscuits are done. I've used about 35 biscuits over here. And now again the cream layer. So 2 layers of digestive biscuits, 1 layer of cream, again 2 layers of digestive biscuit, another layer of cream, and now some design with cream. This is nicely decorated and ready to set in the refrigerator for at least a good 2 hours. Two hours are up and this dessert is beautifully set. And now time to give it a few finishing touches. So I have some cocoa powder and some cinnamon powder here. So just take a sieve. Put some cocoa powder in it and very little cinnamon powder, maybe about 2 or 3 pinches. Let's dust this with this cinnamon and cocoa mixture. Usually people are too intimidated to make desserts, but you can see how easy this one was. So do give this a try, comment below and let me know how it turned out. Till then, keep watching Rajshri Food. Bye-bye. Just a tip for you guys. In case you don't get mascarpone or cream cheese around you, what you can do is use paneer. Grind the paneer into a smooth paste and mix it with the whipped cream. And adjust the sugar and vanilla to your liking.